I'm back to CapCut. Let me show you a mirror mask transition. We put our two clips right here in the timeline, but we stack them. And I want to make them a bit shorter. We don't need 20 seconds. Let me cut that in half somewhat. And the second one, I'll drag it a little bit over here. This is our starting point. We want to go to video and then mask. Keep in mind, I am on the top clip. Here I use the mirror. And now this is the size. See that here? Just type in 1, which is the smallest size. We are at the start. Create a keyframe. Then go forward, maybe up to here. Create a second keyframe, and this time we size it up. I believe the max is around 2100. A little bit more. 2160 would be the max. So what we have now is this typical opening from the center. We go back to the start of this clip, go to rotate, create a keyframe here as well, and rotate it 90 degrees. Then we jump to our second keyframe where it's fully opened, and we rotate it back to 0. And now it opens and rotates at the same time. If that is too slow or too fast, you can simply rearrange the keyframes inside of the clip right here, drag it to the left, so make the gap between the keyframes smaller to have it faster, and drag it to the right to have it slower. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.